Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook page permanently from your Facebook account. Actually sometimes we create lots of Facebook page, right? And later we need to delete that Facebook page. So if you really want to learn how to delete your Facebook page with the new update or new process, that time you can follow this video. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. And guys, one more thing, I asked you that please follow this Facebook page, which is Rare iTech, because every day I uploaded new video, so you can learn many things from that page. Okay, so let's go for the process. So first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store and then make sure your Facebook application already up to date. So after updating your Facebook application, just click here open option and then click here your profile icon. Then you need to find page option. Okay, so you can see in the above I have page option, but if you don't find, then click here see more and you will find in there. Okay, so let me click on that option, which is page, and I want to delete this sample page, okay, which is I have paint just for you. Okay, so let me click on it and you can see there is switch option. Okay, so you need to click here switch option, and after that again click here your profile icon, I mean that page profile, then scroll down, then you need to click here settings and privacy, then settings option, and there is something that you don't find delete option in anywhere else. Okay, so you need to just scroll down and you need to find this one, which is your information, and in that section you can see access and control. Okay, so let me click on it, access and control, and if you don't find, then you can search here, search settings, access and control. Okay, both are same. So let me click on it, access and control, and you can see deactivating or deleting your Facebook page. So I want to delete, so let me choose the second one, which is delete, then click here continue, and you can choose any one of the region. So right now I don't need to choose anything, just click here continue and permanently delete this page. Okay, so if you have something, I mean some information, so you can download from there, which is download info. So if you don't need, then just click here continue option, and you need to give your Facebook account password. Okay, I mean from which profile you created Facebook page, so you need to give that Facebook account password. So let me give mine. So after giving that, just click here continue option, and delete I have paint just for you, page and information. So you need to click here delete page option. Okay, so and there is one more thing, the following page will be deleted and you will be switched to Saiful Islam, I mean which is main profile, and you can reactivate within 30 days by logging in as Saiful Islam and going to account setting. So you can reactivate it. So I hope you don't need your page, extra page. Okay, so that's why you need to delete it. So let me click here delete page option, and my Facebook page already deleted. So let me show you. You can see there is no Facebook page available in here. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can delete your Facebook page easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.